Hi, this is Kevin from Reese Roofing doing a repair attempt at 13 Treetop Circle in Princeton, New Jersey. We are going to be doing the repair attempt on this shingle. These chalk marks that I put on here are where the nails are holding the shingle in. Many adjusters ask me why I need to touch 2 rows above the shingle in order to release it. In order to take this one shingle out, I need to take all these nails out, because the width of the shingle extends up to those nails. So to slide this shingle out, these nails need to be taken out so I can pull it out. Otherwise, those nails will still be holding the shingle in. So essentially, 7 tabs need to be touched. All right. Let's stand this up. That'll hold it better. Before I do the repair, these are the shingles above it. There are no creases. Okay. So I released the first row, but you see that the shingle still does not come out. I still need to take one more row above it in order for it to come out. now that I have taken the 2 rows out, this shingle will slide out. See grease forming. From the repair, you can see, let me flip this around, there are creases forming in the shingle from the manipulation. You see this one? This one's actually got that crease right there. Another one right here. So in order to change one shingle, you're going to wind up damaging 7 tabs around it. To do that on this entire roof, you would be causing more damage than was here prior to the storm. In my professional opinion, this roof cannot be repaired. It needs to be replaced. Additional things to take into account is when prying these shingles out, I could not reuse the nail holes that were there originally because they are now compromised. So there are additional holes in this roof that were not there prior. On top of that, these shingles will never reseal back down because I broke the seals. So to do this, to repair one shingle, you're damaging 7 additional tabs. So you're having a 7-to-1 replace, one replace for 7 damage every time you do a repair. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me.